Hi everyone, welcome to G Cooks. Yeah. So today we're making spicy basil chicken. So 1 pound half and chicken breast and fresh basil, dry basil and oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, salt, sugar, parsley, with celery, green onion, yellow onion, carrot, all of them ingredients, and garlic too. So I'm making for you guys. Let's go. First, half cup soy sauce. Half sugar. Half water. 1 tablespoon. Teaspoon black pepper. And 3 garlic. It means chopping. And oyster sauce.
Oh.
1 tablespoon. Half teaspoon salt, a little bit. 1 tablespoon in basil dry. And
I love it.
if you have no oyster sauce, it's okay. But more flavor, more taste is better in oyster sauce. So now we have set there. So chicken and bite size. One bite.
And then I get that to go in, and then I get to burn it, and then I dry it.
If you have a possible in the skin kind, and don't take it out because later you're making bubble and
I want to eat other food.
or you have a gas grill, put in the mayonnaise, just the breast, and put in grill in 30 minutes. Yes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. It's good too. But today we're using the oven.
With children.
Yep. So now just a half a pound, 1.5 pound is chicken and mayonnaise and medium in the 1 hour or 30 minutes. Longer is best you can do and longer. Then put in the side and put the fridge. So we are cutting to in the basil chicken and need to some fish. So celery, 2 salt, Now in the we use only three kinds:
Okay.
onion, carrot, celery. But if you like the red pepper, green pepper, just pepper, mushroom. Oh, I have mushroom too, so I'm putting the mushroom. Making hot and heating here, and then the oil. So here, very important. If you like in the sauce, just all over dumping and cook. But if you don't like it in the sauce and the soup stuff, just cook one. I'm just half one using the sauce. And later, and more put the and cook in the 3 and 4 minutes and first in the carrot. Carrot is, strong. Smell.
Oh, it smells amazing.
I think we like in the all of them. In the all of them in the mayonnaise sauce. Almost done. Look at that. This one. A little here. So this and the onion and celery. My fish and basil and curry. Chopping, chopping, chopping. So right now we have jasmine rice, basil leaf, and onion. Okay, I can taste it. Can I taste it, you guys? First, chicken.
It's really good, isn't it? He let me try a piece earlier. It's pretty good. Okay, you're too busy, so I guess we'll stop here.
Bye bye.